Hey guys, Alexis, Sophia Leather. All right, so just a quick little shop update. What's going on? It's February something. February whatever. The middle of February. I'm still waiting on my leather. I'm literally out of leather. So if you guys go to the website, you'll see everything is out of stock. There is a waiting list on there. If you guys are interested on certain product, you can sign up for the waiting list. That kind of gives me an idea of what I need to focus on first. So if you guys are interested in any of my products, go to the website. If it says out of stock, you can go ahead and sign up for a waiting list. I pay a lot of money to have that feature. I greatly appreciate it if you use it. So, plus it helps you and me. You and me? My wife's used to be an English teacher, and I should be saying you and I. So I apologize if she's watching this video. So, all that to say that I have about, I don't know, maybe a month, 2 to 3 weeks of downtime, which has been really nice, I'm not gonna lie. The orders I have coupled with the videos, it could be overwhelming. So this rest and respite is greatly appreciated. The other thing, I can't speak, y'all. The other thing is what I'm gonna do with this downtime, and that is I've gotten a lot of requests on the Firefighter suspender template and patterns. So I'm gonna work on that, the file, the downloadable file. I'm gonna work on that this week, in the next couple weeks. So look out for that. I say look out for that, but I'm gonna be working on that. All that to say, well, wow. I'm gonna leave it, I'm not even gonna edit. Look, I'm gonna be working on the template, right? The file. I can't upload it to my website because I don't have a build along video. I don't have a build along video because I don't have any leather to do it. Once the leather comes in, I have to prioritize and knock out the pending orders that I have, as well as the Firefighter radio strap kits, the black and the brown. So I gotta do all that before I can actually do a build along video. So it's gonna be a while before the build along video comes around. However, I will have the downloadable ready to go on my end. It won't be on the website, but if anybody's interested in it and you wanna just tackle it without the build along video, let me know, email me, use the contact link down there in the description and comments, and hit me up, and then I'll sell it to you like that. Building it is not really complicated. It's very similar to the gentleman suspender build, which I'll put up here. And you can also find it in the how to make along videos. Very similar to that as far as the sizing, right? How you size it, and as far as the buckle system, very, very, very similar. The only tricky part is the connectors, because everybody has different connectors. There's like 3 or 4 different type of ways to connect it, and I kind of streamline that the way I build it. It's hard to explain, but anyway, that's the only tricky part. But I'll have all different attachments on that blueprint as well. But yeah, if you guys are interested, long story short, I got like 3 or 4 weeks before I can actually do any leather, because I don't have any leather. And when it comes in, I gotta work on all the stuff I have to do first. Then I'm gonna work on the build along video for the suspenders. But from now to then, I'm gonna work on the digital blueprints. And if you want that, contact me or comment below, and we can get it to you, and I can take your money. So that's all I got for you. There's another build video coming up this Saturday, and it's just a build video, a radio strap. Nothing instructional, it's just nice quiet time, me building another radio strap from scratch, like a 20-minute video. So that's all. I think I plateaued. There's nothing else I can build because I literally build everything on camera. So moving forward, I don't know what I'm gonna do. All right, that's all I got for you.